All right, it is time for circle time. Let's go ahead and get started. We start with our circle time by standing up and saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge is easy. We are a team. At Woodbridge is easy. We are a team. All right, taking a look at our calendar. Today is the 4th day of June. Tomorrow is the 5th day of June. And then the 6th day of June, we'll be back here on the 7th day of June. So let's take a look, and we're going to sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day of the week it is today. Let's sing it together. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Your Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. And when I sing the song, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. So today is Friday, June 4th, 2021. We have 3 things for our pattern. We have a smiley face sun, a sandcastle, and an ice cream cone. What's going to go today? A sun, a smiley face sun. Then what? A sandcastle. What's going to be on Sunday? Ice cream cone. That tells me I need to go to Vanderwin's. There we are. And then we'll be back here on Monday. We said that it is going to be sunny today. Is it sunny outside? No, it is not. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It's not raining yet, but it's what? Cloudy. It is cloudy outside. What about, yeah, it's wet on the ground because it rained last night. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our first day of the weekend? Sunny weather. That sounds good to me. All right. Let's go ahead and say the alphabet together. Let me hear you. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right. Now let's go ahead and count to 20, but let's count to 20 like we're going up a hill, a loud hill and then a quieter hill. So we're going to count all the way to 19 using our big, or all the way to 9 using our big voices. Then when we get to 10, we're going to quiet back down until we're absolutely silent on 20. Ready? So let's start here. We're just counting using our regular voice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Go ahead Okay, let's go ahead and count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
0. Blast off. We're going to go ahead and we're going to... All right, let's look at some shapes. What shape is this one right here? Oval. What color is the oval? Gray. How about this one right here? What shape is that? Diamond or rhombus. I like that you knew both of those. How about this one right here? Star. What color is the triangle?
White.
What color is the Oreo? What color is anger? Red. Wonderful. Looking at some numbers. Everybody here sitting crisscross applesauce hands to ourselves. What number is this?
5.
This one down here.
12.
This one right here.
9.
How about this one right here?
11.
My friends in the back row. What is this one right here? Right here. What number is that? 11. Our eyes need to be on the board, so we're practicing. If we don't know it, I hear my friends say it, then I say it, and that helps me to learn. How about this one down here? What number is this?
10.
Eyes on the board, not on me. Eyes are on the board. What number is this? 10. All right. Someone's been practicing at home. Our nursery rhyme this weekend for the last time is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. All right. What is this? A dime. What is this one here? Nickel. This one? Quarter. And this one? Penny. We've worked on all these letters, and this week we're working on 2 letters. The first letter is the letter W. W says woof, woof, woof. For Wonder Woman. Watermelon and water. And then we have the letter X. X for X-ray, X-Men, and xylophone. Let's go ahead and get our mats out, and we're going to start off with the letter W. We're starting off with the letter W, though. Wrong button. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Starting off with the letter W. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Reach out and touch the top, going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going to count.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. When you start your letters at the top, wait. These are letters at the top. start your letters at the top. Then you learn that letter and you better. And then you start at the top.
Going down.
This is not
No, it's the middle.
It's just not it's just
All right, we're making the letter W today. Let's go ahead and grab our lines and make it together, starting off with our big slide down.
Don't cover Mr. Matt's mouth.
Mhm.
Can we go ahead and go?
Let's grab our other big slide up. Go ahead and grab our other big slide down. Remember, they're laying on top of each other. And then our big slide up. They're laying on top of each other at the top and the bottom. I like how hard we're working to make the letter W. You need to turn your body all the way around. There you go. Almost there. We're not putting them on top of each other. We're making the whole W. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. I love those W's.
My W. Where am I going?
Look at the hat.
Let's go. You can do it.
That's yours.
Great. See who's made the letter W. Oh.
I don't know.
Take your pieces off and flip over your mat. You still got the ones off. Take off your pieces and flip over your mat. Take off your pieces and flip over your mat.
Smell like something on this W?
Flip over your mat.
Is it supposed to smell like something?
Berries. Remember, don't touch your nose. Nope, I haven't seen you make it yet. Still need to make it. Still need to make it. Take off your pieces and flip over your mat. Take off your pieces and flip over your mat.
What are you doing?
Hey man, you have your arms.
I
Take
got
off your
2
pieces and
pieces.
flip over your mat.
I got 2 pieces. I got the letter.
All right, my friends, let's go ahead and make the letter X.
Me too. I did.
All right, those friends at home, we hope you have a great weekend. And next week is our last week for online learning. Have a great weekend.